Crazy Virgin here, and I am playing, well, I'm gonna play, Mortal Kombat. You can tell by the title of this. Why is it so big? This is because I play a lot. Come on. This is a game. Alright, it's loading. Right now, it takes forever. Right now, here, to load. It takes forever to load. Forever. And, yeah. So this is you can read the stupid, like, things in Unreal Motortype, WB Games logos, really like them. I always see a logo in this game. So you can read the Mortal Kombat software 261 Bros Entertainment Inc. developed by NetherRealm. WB Games logo that uses NetherRealm Studios Mortal Kombat, the dragon logo, and all related characters and elements are trademarks of and C Warner Bros. Entertainment Inc. Yeah. However, Unreal Technology, Unreal Engine, copyright 1998. Wow. 2015, Epic Games Inc. Unreal Technology, and the Powered by Unreal Technology logo are trademarks or registered trademarks of Epic Games Inc. Powered by Upsite. Monotype is the trademark of Monotype Imaging Inc. Registered in the United States Patent and Trademark Office and may be registered in certain whatever. That was actually kind of fun. Oh, what is rock? It's like Sub-Zero. Scorpion. Fight. Alright, fight. Yeah, wake up. Next. Mortal Kombat. Let's see. Oh, wow.